to do is to wear anti-static strap and connect the alligator clip on unpainted case of the system unit. First thing in assembling a system unit is the motherboard and a CPU chip. Put the CPU chip to the CPU socket. CPU or Central Processing Unit is called the brain of a computer, the one that executes the commands of the programs. Next, put the heatsink at the top of the CPU socket and secure it with screw. Heatsinks are widely used for cooling parts and components that produce heat while in use. Next, mount the motherboard. Make sure it aligns the motherboard with the standoffs. Screw it securely and ensuring all ports align with input and output shield. The motherboard is a computer's central communications backbone connectivity point through which all components and external peripherals connect. Next, the LAN card. Align the metal bracket of the card with the back panel of the system unit. Use a screw to secure the metal bracket of the LAN card to the case. A LAN card, also known as a Network Interface Card or NIC, is a hardware component that allows a computer to connect to a local area network. Next, connect the storage drive. Place SSD or HDD in their designated base. Use screws or brackets to secure them. HDD, it is used to store files, application, and operating system. Next, install the ODD or OD into the bay from the front of the case. Secure drive using screws on both sides. This prevents it from moving when in use. The ODD OD allows you to use CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs to listen to music or watch a movie. Next, align the fan with the mounting holes in the desired location. Secure it with the screws using your screwdriver. Don't over-tighten as it could damage the fan or case. Fans are used to draw cooler air into the case from the outside, expel warm air from inside, and move air across a heatsink to cool a particular components. Next, insert the RAM. Locate the RAM slot on the motherboard and insert the RAM stick, ensuring they click into places. RAM it stores data temporarily for quick access. And the last part is connect all the cables. Attach all power cables from the PSU to the motherboard, storage drive, and optical disk drive. Then, close the side panel and secure the panel by tightening the screws at the back. Remove the side panel. Wear again your anti-static strap and connect the alligator clip on unpainted case of the system unit. Then, gently hold the connectors and pull it straight out. Avoid pulling on the wires to prevent damage. Next, remove the storage drive by unscrewing it. Some drives are secured with screws, while others use toll-free clips. Remove this to release the drive. Once the drive is free, gently slide it out from the front of the case. Next, use the screwdrivers to release the fans. Now, carefully remove the fans from the case, ensuring no cables are snug. Next, unscrew the LAN card from the case and carefully pull it straight out of the slot. Avoid twisting or bending it. Next, unscrew the motherboard. Then, eject the RAM stick by pressing the clips on both ends of the slot. And take the motherboard out of the case carefully. Next is the heatsink. The heatsink is secured with screws, clip, or levers. Carefully loosen or release them according to your heatsink's design. Next, locate the CPU socket lever. Gently lift or release it to unlock the CPU from the socket. Now, carefully lift the CPU chip straight out of the socket. Avoid touching the pins or pads on the underside to prevent damage.